Hey guys, it's me Shamali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I came up with a very interesting video which is if Disney princess were from Northeast. In this video I am wearing few dresses of Northeast with my own twists and turns. I already clicked the pictures and it took me a week to complete all the characters. In a day I choose 2 characters and according to that I dress up and do my makeup. So besides all that, there is my hard work, so I hope you will love it, and if you love it, please press the like button because it will encourage me to make more videos for you all. So let's move on to the video. If Snowhite were ever to dress up as a Northeast girl, I am sure she would be wearing this. An Arunachali attire fitted with blue top with a red hairband to complete the look. And of course, an apple to fall unconscious with. A Belle preparing for her ball with the giant beast might just have worn this if she were from the Meghalaya. And yellow chadar draped in the Khasi style with a matching yellow top and a headband to complete the look. And a top full of flowers for the prince. An Ahom Rapunzel. Long hairs for the eternal youth, studded in flowers. A purple saffron top, typical of the great Ahom. And a blue gaale to finish the look. To be a mermaid would be a dream come true. Only, I do not know how to swim. I bet if she were an Assamese girl, she would be wearing a purple blouse strapped with a green mekhela in the manner of how Assamese people actually go fishing and a gamusa to hold it tight. The Sleeping Beauty. We would all once rule over a lot with the saving, charming prince. Would I believe definitely see her ears ornated and of course a few studded royal jewelry. A Cinderella in blue mekhela chadar and a bun in a blue hairband. I wish I had a god fairy too. To disguise yourself a man and fight the army only to protect your father. Mulan is an awe-striking inspiration, a woman of courage and inspiration, just like the brave Naga woman. A typical Naga outfit ornated in dark eyes, those creamy bravery and fringes to match my Naga girlfriends. A brave Pocahontas only could ever wear the royal Muga silk from Assam. A Muga riha, a Muga mekhela and a Muga blouse, and off you go to fight great wars for the nation. I have always adored the brave and brazen Moana. Curly locks flowing with the sea wind look crazily good when I think of her as a pretty Manipuri lass. Only with a little twist of a red top to match with her unmatched vibrancy. Comment down below which Disney character did you like the most, and also comment down if you want to see more such videos in future. So that's it for today. Bye.